So without further ado, let's jump in and let's do the unboxing. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video, and here is the frontRow camera. So without further ado, let's jump in and let's do the unboxing of the frontRow camera. So as you can see on the side here, it's got story, 10 hours of battery life. On the back it's got capture and various different settings of what you've got on the camera. On the side you've got live. Basically you can go live on various different platforms: Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. I'm not too sure about Instagram. I'll have to basically try and find that out, but we'll jump into the box and check it out anyway. On the bottom it's got made for iPhone and then the various models that you can use it with, and that's about it on the top. But let's just jump in and let's get it unboxed. Okay, so on the bottom you get this little pull tab and you just pull out, and there you go. So put that to one side, and then it basically splits out into 3 different sections, as you can see. So let's jump in. Let's start with this side first. So by the looks of it, you have to peel that. You have to peel those off first. Then you jump in, and inside here, so it's like a little pouch inside there. That's all for like fluffy lining to protect the camera, because the camera's under this bit, but we won't get into that bit just yet. So what you get in that little bit is a nice frontRow sticker. That'll go with the Apple stickers nicely. That might go on my laptop actually. A microfiber cleaning cloth with obviously frontRow on the front, and then you've got your quick start guide, which you know no one reads anyway, but you might have to with this. Okay, and then you get this nice little card signed by all the team, and basically it's from Robert Perra, the guy who created frontRow. And he's basically giving you like a little backstory behind the camera. And then on this side, I'm not going to take it out because obviously I don't want to have to rewrap it. But you get this braided cable. It's got a USB on one end. Let's see if I can just take that bit out for now. It's got USB one end. Peel that off, and it's actually got a USB-C connector on that end. Double connection on that one. Good job, guys. That's pretty awesome, to be honest. You don't really see many of them. Don't really see many companies doing that. And then you've got your last one on the end, which again is another pull tab to rip it open. To this side. Okay, so there's a few different bits in here. So in the top bit is the clip. Basically, like you get like little various mounts and stuff like that for it. That's the clip that goes around it. And this one right here, I think by the looks of it, that's it. You've got your lanyard, which again is like a braided cable type. I'm not going to take it out the bag just yet because obviously it's going to be a bit of a nightmare trying to wrap it up. But let's just get to the main event, the reason why we're all here. Okay, so there we go. You got a camera on the back. This is the back of the device, as you can see by the frontRow label. Obviously you got hold down to power on, which is the power button just on this side here. Then you got your record button on the top. You've also got a front facing camera just here, and I'm sure it's probably going to be a touch sensitive home button, but we'll find all that out as soon as we switch it all on. But that is the unboxing of the frontRow camera.